Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound from speaker on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is want to make sure that there's no other device connected. So we're gonna start from here. We're gonna go to settings, connections, and we want to make sure that we disable the Bluetooth for the time of testing. Now, after disabling the Bluetooth, what are we gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we are that there's sound, there's nothing muted. We go to volume here, and we want to make sure that media volume is turned all the way to the right. So this is what is our equivalent of the music player speaker, and etc. Here we want to make sure that there's nothing else enabled. Here we can scroll down looking for something else and do not disturb. Make sure that it's also disabled, because sometimes it can also mute the audio a little bit. It can lower it or mute it completely. As you guys can see, it only mutes all calls, notifications, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So there may be an issue with that. Make sure to disable it for the time of testing. And of course, you can play the sound again. I'm gonna use the system sound, so we're gonna switch it. As you guys can see, everything's just working fine for me. And that's how you guys can do it. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.